In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Typeform into Facebook ads. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, integrating these tools can make your campaigns more engaging and interactive, potentially leading to better results. Let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is head over to Typeform, specifically to the Workspaces section. Here is where all your forms live, and you'll want to choose the form you'd like to use for your Facebook ad. If you're not yet familiar with your Typeform workspace, take a moment to explore it. Familiarizing yourself with where everything is can save you a lot of time in the future and streamline your workflow. Once you've selected your desired form, your next step is to click on Share. This feature is your gateway to integrating Typeform with other platforms. After you click Share, you will see an option to copy a link. Copying the link is as simple as clicking a button, but remember to keep this link at your fingertips because you'll need it in just a moment. Now transition over to Facebook Ad Manager. This is where the magic happens in creating and managing your ads. If you're new to this tool, or if perhaps it's been a while since your last visit, it might be worth taking a quick look around to familiarize yourself with any new features or layouts. Within the Ad Manager, you will create a new campaign. As you go through this process, remember to choose traffic as your campaign objective. This particular option is effective because it focuses on sending people directly to your form. Perfect for generating leads or collecting data directly through Typeform. As you set up your campaign, input all necessary information such as audience targeting, budget, and schedule. Each of these elements is crucial in ensuring your campaign reaches the right people at the right time. Take your time here and think strategically about your audience's demographics and interests. Follow the prompts given by Facebook to continue the process. Facebook Ad Manager is pretty intuitive, but if you ever feel stuck, don't hesitate to consult their resources or help center. Now within the ad setup, you're going to paste the Typeform link you copied earlier into the website URL space. This step is critical because it tells Facebook where to direct users who click on your ad. Finally, once all these elements are in place, review your ad setup thoroughly. Check for any errors or adjustments before you make everything live. And when you're ready, hit publish. Your Facebook ad is now equipped with an interactive Typeform, ready to engage your audience. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated Typeform into your Facebook ads. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps elevate your marketing strategy to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials. Happy advertising.